Breaking news. So it's been confirmed by the White House. Trump is going through with what he threatened, and that is with those tariffs. It has just come out that, yes, the U.S. will be imposing tariffs on Canada, on Mexico, and on China. That came out nowhere. And because of this news, the U.S. market is falling, crypto is falling, Bitcoin all of a sudden dropped a couple thousand points. A lot of alts started coming down. This is what's happening right now. Let me show you what's going on. So, unfortunately, this is where we are right now. Bitcoin was actually heading up. We were starting out really good. We headed to 106. We're around 106, 105. And as you can see right now, we have slid down to 102.7. And on a shorter time scales, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, you could see that Bitcoin is now in oversold territory, but it may go lower because there are a lot of fears right now on Wall Street because this just got released not too long ago. So President Trump's been threatening this for weeks now. Even before he became president, he's been talking about how, Canada and others have been taking advantage of the U.S. and, he's been negotiating, I don't know what behind the scenes, really just trying to make Canada a 51st state. I don't know what else was being negotiated, but a lot of people were fearful that it may go nowhere. But hey, he decided to go through with it. So starting tomorrow, right? This is not like next week, next month, next year. This is starting tomorrow. There will be a 25% tariff on anything coming in from Canada, from Mexico, and a 10% duty for anything from China. So this morning I talked about how there may be, there may not be anything on oil, but from this press conference, it seems like it's everything. So what does this mean starting tomorrow? Like this is unprecedented. Like this much, this fast. I don't even know what Canada or Mexico, what they could have done. Honestly, I really don't know if, they were trying hard to negotiate, what Trump expected. I'm sure this has to do with a lot with trade and then trade, disparage, the deficit or the disparages between the countries. I actually don't know. And now that this is in place, what is President Trump looking for to be fixed to get rid of these tariffs? Because honestly, a lot of people have speculated, especially like with China, since we buy so many goods from them, they may retaliate and put tariffs on all U.S. goods as well. And this could, also, of course, be done with any goods going to Canada and Mexico. So this may start some kind of tariff war among countries. Don't know where this is going to go. This is developing news, breaking news. So something else we have to worry about going into this weekend. Look like we were past all the fun, but now we got some more. So how this relates to Bitcoin and crypto, I guess we will have to see. Bitcoin is sliding down a little bit. Is not disastrous. Obviously, we're back down to 102.7, a level that we saw just a day ago. So definitely not disastrous, but we did lose the momentum we gained just from yesterday and this morning. Several alts are still holding relatively well. XRP did come down a little bit, but you can see it looked like it found a bottom and it's starting to come back up. Like I said, a lot of the shorter time frames, all these, crypto are now oversold. So, oops, you don't see my window. So you could see, like XRP, for example, bouncing up, still above $3. SUI, unfortunately, it was a little bit higher this morning, like at 410, 420 actually. Looks like it's trying to bounce back up. So, basically every single one, if you look at, They are trying to bounce up. So hopefully that's the case. Hopefully this is just an overreaction once again, and we will continue forward. But if Wall Street gets really, really panicked and they decide to keep dumping, obviously we can see Bitcoin and crypto go lower. But right now, it does seem like we have stabilized a little bit, just a little bit. And again, this is not terrible. This is not a crazy dump. We just went back like a day. Okay. So I don't want to over exaggerate. I don't want to cause a lot of you guys to think, oh, the world is ending. Remember, dips are gifts. But what's going on right now with this tariff situation is brand new. This came out of nowhere, so no one really knows what's going to happen. There's more breaking news. I will let you guys know. If there's more breaking news, I will let you guys know later today. Maybe Josh will let you guys know during DGens. Maybe I'll even join him, or I'll let you guys know tomorrow or on my Sunday walk. Okay, have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.